Hi, I'm Ev from Ev's Shed. I'll show you how to make a swage fitting for a wire rope balustrade. I'm using a 3.2mm stainless steel wire rope. Wire rope thimble, 3mm. This basically goes around like that. The nickel plated copper swage. This swage tool is that it's got a cutting bit right there. So I marked where I need to cut my wire. I put it in there. See, I put it through there. My line is right there. And that's how easy it is to cut. Here's a simple way to actually make a swage fitting. So put your swage over the wire. Make a big loop to thread it through. Like so. Now what you want to do is make sure that the wire is sitting a little bit in, probably a third of the way in, or even a quarter. Now here's the little trick. What I find is a little bit of timber. I hold it there, and then I pull the wire through. And when I'm all the way, as you can see, the wire's still in there, but we can push that through to get the length we want. Keep on pulling. Now we put our thimble over, and we've still got in there, and we just pull this down. Now all we do is pull on the bottom, hold the swage, and there's our fitting. And there you go. Now all we need to do is lock it up. So grab our tool. On the tool there are numbers 1 to 5. That corresponds with the millimeter size. So we put it on number 3 and just tighten it up. It's that simple. I usually do 3 to 4. It all depends on what you want. And there you go. That's how simple it is to fit a swage fitting. Thanks for watching Ev's Shed. Hope you enjoyed watching how to make a simple and easy swage fitting for a wire rope balustrade. Now if you like what you see, please hit the like button down below, and always subscribe to Ev's Shed. Catch you later. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, please hit the like button, and also subscribe to Ev's Shed.